Hi there and welcome back. Today it's getting dirty. Let's get started. Back on the building site again. But not to forget, my mother asked me to thank you all for your congratulations to her 80th birthday. She's been completely beside herself with joy, receiving messages from all over the world. Later this week she called me saying, "André, you won't believe it, even from New Zealand." I think she spent the entire week just reading comments. So, thank you all for making an older lady very happy. Talking about happiness, maybe we enjoyed the little time out a bit too much, because we still had to clean all the mess we left behind 2 weeks ago. My task for this weekend was to prepare the bathroom walls for plastering and tiling. This means all the loose tile adhesive had to go. Not my favorite job. Maybe it works better the old school way. I will tell you later a bit more about our design ideas for the bathroom, but what I can tell you now is that it is our plan to plaster and paint most of the bathroom walls and only put tiles to the wall in wet areas like the sink and shower. Therefore, all the walls have to be flat and clean to apply a smooth coat of plaster. Easier said than done. Just so that you get an impression of the real painstaking work, without time-lapse and happy music. And the disc sander. Boring. Let's go shopping. Man's paradise. A magic word. Bigger bathroom dreams? and smaller ones. Jungle room bathrooms. Secrets behind walls. Tiles looking like wood paneling. And beaches in shower cabins. And this fellow just made my day. Here in Germany, there seem to be 4 different trends at the moment when it comes to tiles. Vintage-looking tiles, subway tiles still in many different sizes and surfaces, very large, nearly oversized tiles. And mosaic tiles in many different colors and sizes. Funny enough, they call it shabby chic. Dana, one of my patrons, sent me these pictures of current international trends. I have to say, I really like the light grey color. It looks light, masculine and fresh. This is my favorite picture. So I decided to go with shiny mosaic tiles, like these. These grey ones are my favorite. What's your opinion on this? Leave me a comment. Now I have to convince Laszlo. He grabbed the opportunity to fill all the gaps in the wall from the old piping. The old wallpaper had to go. As you all know by now, I really wanted to work on the inside, but unfortunately there was no space for me to work. So I decided to start a rescue operation. Last winter the ice crashed a barrel underneath our landing stage, and now the construction looks like the Titanic just before it sank. To rescue it, until I find a permanent solution, I made a little construction out of scrap wood. you know how I like over-engineering.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Okay, this will definitely not win a beauty contest, but it works. For now. And nothing lasts as long as a temporary solution. When wood prices go down again, I will remove all the barrels and exchange them for wooden posts. See you all next week. Stay safe and healthy.